one. Hello, my beautiful people. Today, my people, this shocking news when I hear today, the thing shockalize me, oh, like the thing shockalize me, like seriously. I no expect time. Say, cha with me like pass any on that thing. Cha when I dey proud of a marriage. Cha we be say a marriage and as in at the highest, like I too go love that girl. I don't know why. Cha, I see am today. Cha post for Instagram say, I'm done with the marriage. I go put the video more and see am. Even the way she look for there, she look haggard, she look tattered. Like, I don't understand. Like, say maybe the man they beat her more. I don't understand. Like, my people, there is not be all that glinter is a gold, though. You know, that's it. This is surprise me, my people, Cha will be say, in marriage, I too dey proud of her. Like, I too love her. I just dey surprised, oh. Because in marriage, even the man, they're too good together. They're too fit. Like, the thing they surprise me, say, what you come make Cha just wake up in the morning, say, I'm done with the marriage. After 3 kiss, and now you even born boy for him now. As in, the thing they surprise me, say, what's gonna happen? Does it mean, say, this man, as in, una dey quarrel all the time, my people? Like, seriously, Cha say, I'm done, like, I'm done with the marriage. That's what she talk, oh, my people. My people, oh, hey, now, wow. Not the way we not go here for social media. If we dey finish for one, another one will they come. If we dey finish for one, another one will they come. My people, what do you come make Cha say no they marry again? Hey, this one pass Joromio. This one pass Joromio, my people. Now, what? The thing surprised me, oh, my people, The thing shockalize me, like, the thing surprised me, say, what you come make Cha talk this kind of thing, say, no, they marry again? Does it mean, say, get what the apple for there, when we know they see? The thing surprised me, oh. Cha will be say, and the way she did the evil they born, the way she did they born for your husband, they get belly, as in, it just, she really want to settle down. Not be like the rest of the say that time they don't marry, then that time they come do slave queen, they don't want to come born again. But Cha, oh no. Cha really like, that make the thing they surprise me, say, what's it happen? Cha, like, what's it happen? I beg. Nothing go just happen reach like that where you say you are done. Before woman come talk and say, I'm done with the marriage. Now be say the thing don't pass Joromi. Now be say, what should they see for the we know the see am. The thing really serious. You know? Like, I don't understand all those our celebrity again, no. I don't understand though. Now so any don't marry that time. After many years, he can't still leave the man. This one again, my people. My people, this one they pass Joromio. This one surprised me. Now Cha as it shocked me, it shockalized me. The thing they pay me. So what you come make Cha say no they marry again? Doesn't mean say this man they beat Cha or I don't understand. Even the one we can see shockalize me that time now Yvonne Jegede will be say if they look for pikin since. God can't bless and with pikin with the man can't separate. I can't be surprised. So this man be not want me if Jegede born for at that time. I be waiting. My people. I said the thing you can't like the ring bell for your ear. You can't the reason like I don't understand. When if Jegede look for pikin that time, you know the man not live. When they come finally born for her, the man can't live. According to her, I said na Bimbo Akitola, na he separate them. Na Bimbo go they lie to the man. And we even the year now say na Bimbo can they follow the man. Like the thing can they surprise me. Like this our celebrity. I don't understand una again. Really? Like the thing they surprise me now say like what can they happen? Person they look for pikin. God can finally bless them with pikin. The man can't leave him. Up to today, Yvonne Jegede and the man they not settle again. I bet you want to talk of Chidi. Chidi will be saying with your wife when he married that fair. I don't forget that fair yellow woman name. When the woman if they ask that time, I so love her. When Chidi marry him, he can't stop to the act. When he can't stop, he can't but 3 boys for Chidi. 3 boys. Chidi can't leave him. Go marry the other this girl with the way Matt big small. he lives big small. I don't still forget that one day. He can't still go marry that one at that time too. He can't leave his wife. This thing can't surprise me. See Chacha now, Chacha say, I'm done. Like, I'm done. I don't want to marry again. My people, no. Hey. This one passed Joromio. Like, seriously. Like, seriously. The thing they surprise me. See, what did they happen? What it could just happen reach like that, Chacha, beg. This your marriage be too sweet. So, like, if I see you with your husband, I don't want to look alike. They want to be like brothers and sisters. I they even they like they as in after they jealous when I married. You won't they do as in now you will not the evil the hear for our side. You will not they hear anything like the way you tell they. This is surprise me. Say what you make Chacha say in all day. He say I'm done. I will put the video for you people to see. He say I'm done. This one not be say person talk with your own mouth. Now he talk with her own mouth. I go put her more and see my darling people. The thing shockalize me. The thing surprise me. Like seriously, the thing surprise me. Say, what did this man do Chacha rich like this? Which Chacha just say, you know, they marry again. My people, now when they say, I want them a marriage be like this person, you know. I want them a marriage be like this person, you know. You go reason. You not gonna know what they pass through for their own. You not gonna know. Before Chacha can cry. Even I see her for the video. Before Chacha will now know, can't leave her face like that. They talk, say, I'm done with the marriage. You know, say, Chacha don't to be here for them. He don't to be here. He not fit again. I say, no, I must talk at now. That means she can't talk so. Who know whether I also beat the man they beat her. Who know whether the man they womanize. Who know whether the man they carry. Now make Chacha say, no, they marry again. Yeah, if it be. If it be my people, if it be if I said the thing not shockalize me, like the thing not surprise me, I didn't lie to myself. It surprised me. The thing really surprised me. Like the thing they do me somehow for belle. Say, what you gonna make Chacha say no, they marry again? Yeah. Now wow. Why on a marriage no they always they last? Why? Your own way where would they see say you know they talk say your husband do you anything like okay see our sister on that time to DK that one too after that one don't praise say now your husband be the first man when he never spend money for at the end look at the end now we come here say now she they able to spend for the man you know like. If she can't able to talk so many things, so the man John Thomas more, and so you John Thomas is not biggie, now so this that, you know, I can't be surprised. Say, why be say, Chacha will be say she never able do that kind of thing. You never come and they praise the husband. The way they tell they go 12 them with the evil, they jealous them. I can't be surprised. Say now 12 they can't they quarrel now. Say they can't separate. My people, what do you not think about this video? I can put the video for the end more. See more. I can't say what did they happen. What do you not think about this video, my people? I want to leave now opinion. They say not be all everything way fine. I be good though. So they talk and people when they speak English. So my people, this one I won't get topic. This one carry igele, he carry a tie, he carry cocoa shoe. This one, we must know that thing. We make Chacha come up for that house. So thank you everybody. Take care. Until I come your way, you wanna wait for the updates. We will come out for this video again. Thank you and bye. And your opinion matters a lot. You can leave your opinion, leave your comments for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.
I'm crazy, I'm not. But this video is to let the world know that I'm done with the marriage. I don't have a lot to prove that I'm done with him, but I'm done. I'm done. I'm living with my life, finally. I can't say a lot now, but you hear my story.